Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting now. Check your Mac OS and open the Music app. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID in System Settings and in Music. Once done, confirm network connectivity, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, because streaming and library sync require internet. Enable iCloud Music Library or Sync Library inside Music Preferences so your songs, playlists, and uploads merge. If prompted, choose to merge, not replace. This prevents losing local tracks. Now proceed to the core, steps to authorize and sync devices. You will authorize this Mac so purchases and DRM content play. Open Music, go to Account, Authorizations, and authorize this computer with your Apple ID. This ties your purchases to the device. Next, enable Sync Library and Music Preferences to surface cloud content. Add tracks by clicking Add to Library or dragging files. Make sure to watch Upload and Cloud icons for completion. Once songs display without a cloud icon, play to confirm. If you plan offline playback, download tracks now for local access. Finish by verifying playback and cross-device sync. Play a few tracks, then check the same items on your iPhone or iPad to confirm sync. Make downloads for offline access by clicking the download icon next to playlists or albums. If playback fails or items don't sync, sign out of Apple ID on the Mac and sign back in, restart the Music app, and toggle Sync Library off then on again. This forces a resync. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account or server assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.